Hello friends, today we are starting a new series on DevOps interview questions. So let's see which are all the important interview questions you can learn for cracking a DevOps interviews. So let's get started. Starting with very first question, what are DevOps branching strategies? So a branching strategy is something a software development team uses when interacting with a version control system for writing and managing code. The branching strategy focus on how branches are used in the development process. So there are mainly four branching strategies. So very first one is a Git flow. In Git flow, we have main branches like master and develop branch, and support branches we have feature branch, then hotfixes, and then release branch. So this is about the Git flow. Another one is a GitHub flow. In GitHub flow there is one main branch. So whenever we are working on some feature, we will create a separate branch out of the main branch, and then when our task is finished, we merge that one with the main branch. So that way we can have n number of dev branches with different names, and then we can merge them to the main branch. So next is the trunk-based development strategy. In that strategy, developers integrating their changes directly into a shared trunk or master at least once a day. This shared trunk is always in a releasable state. Developers can pull from this trunk, create a local repository, and then push the code to the shared trunk. The regular integration enables developers to view each other's changes quickly and immediately react if there are any conflicts. Next one is the GitLab flow. In GitLab flow, we have branches for each environment like development, UAT, pre-production, production. So we have different branches for each environment. So these are the main DevOps branching strategy. If you want to learn more on DevOps branching strategies, you can watch my video. In this, uh, we have provided more information on DevOps branching and strategies. So the next question is, where is Jenkins folder path for various jobs? So this is very important question. Uh, if you are using Jenkins, you should be aware that when you install Jenkins, where it actually install, which are all the folders it creates. First of all, in Jenkins, the folder path for job is the location where the job's configuration files and build artifacts are stored on the Jenkins server. The folder path is based on the job's name and is located within the Jenkins home directory. So say your job name is my job, then the folder path would be Jenkins underscore home slash jobs slash my job. So this way, whatever the job name you would have, based on that the path would be decided. Going to the next question, where is Jenkins path for secret keys and password? This is again the same kind of question. but with a little difference. So let's see. So in Jenkins, the folder path for secret keys and password is typically located in Jenkins home directory and it is secured with proper permissions. By default, Jenkins stores its secrets such as passwords and API keys in a file called secret in the Jenkins home directory, which is typically located at jenkins underscore home slash secrets. The file is encrypted and it can only be accessed by the user that the Jenkins service is running as. However, Jenkins also provides other plugins to manage the secrets such as credential plugin which allows you to securely store and manage credentials such as usernames and password that are used by Jenkins job. Now, going to the next question. What is Jenkins multi-branch pipeline? This is also one of the important question. Please go through this. Jenkins multi-branch pipeline is a way to manage multiple branches of a project in Jenkins using a single pipeline. It allows you to automatically build, test, and deploy different branches of a project without having to manually configure each branches. With a multi-branch pipeline, Jenkins will automatically discover, manage, and execute pipeline built for each branch that contains a Jenkins file. Jenkins file is a script that contains the pipeline definition. In a nutshell, multi-branch pipeline is used whenever you want to build all your branches at the same time. So this is a use case for multi-branch pipeline. Going to the next question. What are Jenkins pros and cons? So that is very important question. So pros about Jenkins. It is open source and free to use. Large and active community, many plugins available. Easy to set up and configure. Flexible and customizable through plugins and scripts. Provide a wide range of built-in tools for building, testing, and deploying software. Can be integrated with a variety of other tools such as version control system and testing frameworks. Cons can be complex and overwhelming for beginners. Can be difficult to troubleshoot and maintain. Can be resource intensive, especially for large and complex projects. Some plugins may not be well maintained or may not work well for newer version of Jenkins. Security can be an issue if not properly configured. May require a dedicated server or virtual machine to run. So these are the main pros and cons of Jenkins. So in this video we have just gone through 5 interview questions which are totally related to Jenkins. So hope this video would give you an idea which kind of question for DevOps engineer they ask in market. Thank you for watching this interview series part 1. We will bring other questions as well on different topics. So stay tuned. Have a good one. Bye bye.